The crypto community erupted into panic recently amid incorrect reports that the EU was banning anonymous crypto wallets and self-custodial payments. The European Parliament recently reached a preliminary agreement on a proposal impacting digital currencies. Various media outlets claimed that your anonymous crypto wallet is now prohibited. Naturally, this news sparked significant concern and confusion among people who have crypto in their self-custody wallets. Before delving further, let's dispel any uncertainties. Hardware and software wallets are still allowed, and transactions to and from self-custody wallets remain legal. So, what's all the commotion about? Numerous parties are collaborating on an extensive financial regulatory framework, which includes the anti-money laundering regulation. It's important to note that this regulation isn't specific to crypto. It's a broader law aimed at combating money laundering and financial crimes, applicable to financial institutions and crypto service providers alike. What does the proposal say about anonymous wallets? Essentially, crypto companies are prohibited from offering anonymous wallets, akin to banks being unable to provide anonymous bank accounts. Additionally, crypto companies must avoid anonymity-enhancing tools such as privacy coins and mixers and diligently scrutinize incoming transactions. Anonymity serves as a red flag for heightened scrutiny. Service providers without control over user assets are explicitly exempt from these regulations, including software and hardware wallet providers. In summary, while crypto companies must fulfill their obligations, as a user, these changes have minimal impact on you. However, the European Central Bank is pushing ahead with plans to launch a digital euro, aiming to provide a pan-European digital payment solution that complements cash, according to Piero Cipollone, member of the executive board of the ECB. The ECB seeks to make lives more accessible by offering a public digital means of payment that can be used free of charge for any digital transaction in the euro area. Cipollone emphasized that the digital euro would bring cash-like features to the digital world, being available offline, free for basic use, and respectful of privacy while having a pan-European reach. However, some critics have raised concerns about the privacy implications of the digital euro. Walker America, the host of Titcoin podcast, expressed skepticism about the ECB's claims of privacy, stating, "The ECB plans to roll out a digital euro, claiming it'll be private, but it will not be, given Lagarde already wants to throw you in jail for a €1,000 anonymous cash payment. Study Bitcoin and opt out of this totalitarian surveillance token. We will see where it leads." In the meantime, you can keep using your wallets and buy more Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. If you are new to crypto, and don't know how or where to get started, then I recommend you to download a copy of my free ebook. Whether you're curious about buying your first Satoshis or altcoins, or want to make money in the world of decentralized finance, my book will help you understand and navigate the crypto landscape. I will leave the link in the description below. Thanks for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest video updates first. Have a great day and stay safe.